Hey, welcome back. And this is a short demo on currency translation. I've loaded the model with the transactional currency, and the on the SAC, we're going to do a configuration how a transactional currency can be converted to a group currency or like euros or GBP based on your organization requirements. So first thing first, I've loaded the data. My data model is called SD billing. So I've loaded a couple of records for the demo purpose. You can see a billing value, and in my model I've set the transactional currency as a dimension, as a public dimension. I've loaded it within US dollar value, and you can see a billing values of 1 and 1400. So now today's task is like first thing what we have to do for a currency translation is to configure our existing model. We also need an table with the exchange rates. So I've loaded the exchange rates. So what we're going to do now is like configure our model to the exchange rates which has already been loaded. So let me go to preferences, model preferences, and select currency. Then select your, I've got some exchange rates being loaded to the FI currency exchange. Okay, now the model has been set to the exchange rate table, which has already been loaded with the exchange rates. So now the second thing what we have to do now is to go into the calculations. So when you have a model structures, then go to the calculation, select calculation. Then here I'm going to select I've just typed in billing values in euros. Type in billing values in euros. So we know we have the currencies coming up in US dollars. So I would like to convert it to my group currency. My group currency is going to be in euros. So I would type in as a fixed currency euro. So that's it. This is fine, and this is my source currency. So billing value by transactional currency is the source measure which you have seen in the data load. So billing value by transactional currency. So that's my source. So set that as a source dimension. I've set it to, okay, that's fine. Set it as a source dimension, that's good enough. So this is good, this is fine. I've set it to a fixed currencies of euro, that's good. Now let me go back to the report. Yeah, so I built a small report. Let's see, with the company codes in the rows, I'm going to select the measures. So I have the billing value and billing values in euros. Select those measures. Okay, so unfortunately my table doesn't have the US dollar, but if the exchange rates have been loaded, then you will have the data getting converted. 1 minute, just give me a minute. So I've reloaded the exchange rates. So now let's do it again. So I'm going to go to the conversion measure. So click conversion measure. So I want billing values in US dollar. Yeah, billing values in USD. Yeah. So then I'm going to say what is my source. Billing value of the transaction currency is my source. That's the source measure, which I'm going to use it in my conversion. That's that's fine, that's fine. Okay, it's good. That's good. Okay, so that's fine, that's not an issue, that's good. So let me I've retyped it to euros because I wanted because my group currency is in euros. I've typed it to euros, and again the billing value to a fixed currency is euros. So type those information, then save. Yep. Okay, it's good. It's saved. Let's go to the report. So let's refresh the report. So this is initially bringing up with the transactional currency. So let's add the new measures which we used in the calculation. Go to the design. Yeah. Measure billing values in euros. There you go. So it's all now it's been converted from dollars into USD. So you can see the values are getting converted. Yeah. It's amazing, like just in few clicks, in few steps in the config, we are able to convert a currency, do a currency translation from a transactional currency into a group currency. Thank you. Thanks for joining. Bye.